Hello, welcome to PH Maths. Number in focus on 7. 7 is a strange one. It's prime. It's the number of days in a week. It's the number most people pick when asked for a random number, and weirdly, it's the only digit that turns any simple fraction into a recurring decimal. By the end of this, you'll have its times table cold, its powers locked in, and you'll know where 7 likes to hide in your exam paper. Quick identity check. 7 is odd. 7 is prime, meaning it only divides by itself and 1. 7 days in a week, which is why probability questions adore anything about days of the week. And the standout, 1/7 as a decimal, is 0.142857, repeating forever. We'll come back to that one because it's by far the most famous fact about 7. Times table. 1/7 is 7, 2 7s are 14, 321, 428, 535, 642, 749, 856, 963, and 1070. The middle ones, 6 7s 42, 8 7s 56. That's where most students wobble. Memorize the 7 times table cold. It shows up in factor questions, in fraction simplification, and in hidden multiples like 77 and 91. Powers of 7. Anything to the power 0 is 1. That's a rule, not a fluke. 7 to the 1 is 7. 7 squared, 49. 7 cubed, 343. 7 to the 4th is 2,401. 7 to the 5th, 16,807. The one to lock in is 49. It shows up in Pythagoras questions, in surds, and in indices. Here's the magic of 7. 1/7 equals 0.142857, and those 6 digits then repeat forever. Now the wild part. 2/7 uses the exact same 6 digits, just rotated. 3/7, 4/7, all the way to 6/7. Same rotation of the same 6 digits. Try it on your calculator. The reason? 142857 times 7 equals 99999. And that's literally why 1/7 recurs at all. How 7 connects to the rest of the syllabus? Well, squared, it's 49. Cubed, 343. To the 4th, 2401. Root 7 is about 2.646, a classic irrational surd, so don't expect a clean answer when one appears. And the famous Pythagorean triple, 7, 24, 25, you'll see that on a non-calculator paper at some point, and recognizing it instantly saves you a full minute of squaring. Where 7 actually appears in your GCSE Higher exam, Pythagorean triple, 7, 24, 25. Square number to recognize on sight, 49. Recurring decimals, 1/7 has the longest cycle they'll throw at you. Highest common factor and lowest common multiple problems often pair 7 with 14, 21, 28. And probability questions love days of the week. Anything 1 in 7. Spot any of these and you've half solved the question already. Where 7 hides in other numbers, 49 is 7 squared, 343 is 7 cubed, 2401 is 7 to the 4th, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, all multiples of 7. And if you ever see a decimal starting 0.142857 on your calculator, that's an n over 7 in disguise. Recognizing these can turn a long simplification into a single line of working. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE Higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks, one for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you in the next video.